In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a GIF on iMessage using iOS 17 and iOS 18, whether you're looking to enhance your text message with a dash of humor, or simply want to express yourself with a little flair. Sending GIFs is a fantastic way to communicate. It's quick, easy, and can add that extra spark to any conversation. So let's dive right into it. First, grab your iPhone and navigate to the Messages app. It's the green icon with a white speech bubble. When you tap on it, you'll open up your list of messages. Now, to send a GIF, you need to be in an existing conversation or start a new one. Simply select any chat thread you wish to send a GIF in, or create a new message to a contact by tapping the Compose button at the top right of the screen. Once you're inside the conversation, direct your attention to the row of icons at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon located to the left of the text box where you typically type your messages. Tapping on this plus icon is your gateway to adding more fun elements to your conversation, and finding the perfect GIF is just a few taps away. Now, after you tap that plus icon, a panel will appear with several options. Here, we're particularly interested in the hashtag images option, which is Apple's built-in GIF search feature. This is specifically designed to make finding and sending GIFs as seamless as possible. Select the hashtag images option, and get ready to explore a wide array of GIFs. Next, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can type in keywords to find the exact GIF you're in the mood for. Whether you type LOL, good morning, or anything else that captures what you want to express, the search function will provide a variety of options for you to choose from. Once you've typed in your keyword, browse through the selection until you find the one that perfectly matches your message. When you've found the ideal GIF, tap on it. A preview will pop up, giving you a final chance to make sure it's the one you want to send. If you're happy with your choice, go ahead and tap the blue send arrow located to the right of the text box. And just like that, your chosen GIF is on its way, ready to bring a smile or a laugh to the recipient. And there you have it. Sending a GIF on iMessage with iOS 17 and iOS 18 is as simple as that. It's a fun way to add personality to your messages and sure to brighten up any conversation. Whether you're sharing exciting news or just checking in with a friend, a GIF can say it all without needing to type a single word. Happy messaging?